Hey guys, Saving with Shay. I am here for my weekend Walmart haul for you guys. So I need 15 rebates for $5 for my weekend, and then I'm tracking for the floating funds. I think I need like 22. So the goal for today is to knock off the 22 that we need to get back $15, which should be cool. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to knock it all out, so I might have to get a couple gift cards, which is definitely an option. What else I want to add? Oh, you guys! So look, listen. For the extra rebates, I just hosted a video like literally yesterday, and I only had those rebates on Tada. Those extra rebates, the ones that are like coupons.com, Alexa Shop Me, those only ever had those on Tada. Now I have them on all of them, you guys, like all of them, and I'm so excited about that. So in that particular video, a lot of you guys were saying that you have the extra offers using the browser. So if those of you who are using the app and you don't have the extra offers, try using the browser and see if you see them, because y'all I have the extra offers on all of them now: Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, and Tada. So it's cool because it's like, I almost want to be like, shop me in what? Alexa? No, I like Alexa because that's Amazon. Shop me on what? Coupons.com what? Because now we have those extra offers on 4 additional apps, which is just awesome. So check yours, see if you have them. Again, if you don't have them using the app, use the browser. One of you guys were asking how to submit receipts. You go under the magic receipt page. It's pretty easy. Maybe at the end of this video I'll throw on a quick like walkthrough real quick. But super easy. Just all of those offers do go into review. Now, today I want to try submitting for the extra offers on Swagbucks and see if they go into review on there as well. The extra offers have always gone straight into review for me on Tada, and so I want to see what's going to happen on Swagbucks. So I'm going to try Swagbucks today. I eventually want to try all of them. Yeah, so other than that, you guys, if you're new here, if you're new here, because I know some of you guys are new, definitely subscribe. Make sure you smash like button, support your girl. Don't forget to also make sure your post notifications are on as well so you miss on a video. So without further ado, let's head into Walmart and see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. Want to see what your girl got?
All right, so the first deal that we're going to go over is the Ben's Original. It's on the 10 medley variety. They're priced at $2.98. For this, you want to go ahead and grab one of them. You'll be getting back 75 cents on Ibotta, and then there's also 250 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1, bringing that down to only 74 cents. And again, if you can find the other rices, there's the Mahatma one, and then there's also a Carolina brand. They're freebies on Ibotta, but they don't carry them in my area, and so I finally found it, you guys. I finally found the mac and cheese Wakanda Forever one. It's priced at $1, and you're gonna get back 50 cents on Ibotta, making that only 50 cents. I'm also gonna be grabbing the 3 cheese as well as the thick and creamy one, priced at $1.12. Getting back 30 cents on Ibotta brings those down to 82 cents. Is the Tasty Bite protein bowl, priced at $3.64. Getting back $8 on Ibotta. Now there's also 600 kicks on Shopkick. It did go up a little bit, which is $2.40, bringing that down to only 24 cents. This is the cup of noodle stir fry. I remember getting these a while back, and they were really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab one, priced at $1.24. And then for this, we're gonna be getting back 50 cents on Ibotta, making this only 74 cents. Okay, really quick, make sure to check your peanut butter section. I forgot to mention in my last video, but I did find some on clearance, and I found the big one. I actually found this one right here for like $2, and they had, what else did they have? They also had this one right here for $1.50, and also found jelly. I found the grape Welch's right here. I found these for $1, and I got a few of those. They have that one there for $2.50. I'm not gonna grab any more now because your girl is stocked up, but don't forget to check this little section. I wish Josiah would eat a dang peanut butter and jelly sandwich, but he is just no, my little vegetarian, pescatarian, or whatever you want to call it. And so definitely don't forget to check this area. All right, guys, so this is the next deal. I'm so excited about this deal. I saw Miss Danielle post this in her video. I don't know if you guys remember back when we had dollar coupons. They were like tear pack coupons for these like a while ago, and we're getting the little single ones at what was it, CVS for like free. That's when I first started trying them and absolutely fell in love with them. This one in particular, the Golden Oak one, I love with my coffee. They are shelf price for $4.24. I'm gonna see if I can price match the online price, which is $3.88. Grabbing 2 of them, I'll pay $7.76, and then get back 75 cents for each on Ibotta, plus $2.50 on Swagbucks, My Points, and Blockcityips. I'm bringing those down to only $1.88 each, which is not bad considering I just got a box from Food for Less for like $4 or $5. And so next deal is on the Blue Diamonds almonds. This is on the thin dipped almonds. They are priced at $3.48. Grabbing 2 of them, you'll be getting back 75 cents for each on Ibotta. There's also a bonus as well. What's the bonus? The bonus is 50 cents when you buy 2, and you'll get back $1 on Swagbucks, My Points, and Blockcityips. You know, Shop Me or Alexa, whichever you're going with. Making these only 48 cents each. So here, I saw Cynthia at Keep Calm couponing post a while ago. I'm barely getting around to talk, and I don't even think I'm gonna do this deal, to be honest, but it's on the Tostitos. It is on the Hardy Dippers, price at $4.38. You're grabbing that, and as well as the dip, which this right here is like my favorite dip. It's priced at $4.42, so the 2 items is gonna be $8.80, and then you're gonna get back $2 for the dip, $1 for the chips, and then $1 bonus for buying the 2 on Ibotta. Making it only $1.65 each. Alright, so next up is the Pure Leaf tea. It's priced at $2.28. Getting back $8, making that only $1.28. Okay, we're also going to be grabbing the Brisk tea again, priced at $1 on rollback. Getting back 30 cents on Ibotta, making this only 70 cents. Alright, next up is the Starbucks. It's on the double shots as well as the triple shots. They're on rollback for $2.48. Getting back $8 on Ibotta makes them only $1.48. You also might have a 10-cent any rebate as well. Yeah, it is what it is, right? So we're gonna grab the Chupa Chups again, priced at $3.13 for the what is this? Best of the best? The best of the best, right here, for $3.13. And then we're also gonna grab this one here, which is the Cremosa one, which is priced at $2.94. Okay, so the Shopkick kicks went up to like $7.50 plus 70 scan kicks, which is $8.20. So you're getting back a total of $3.28 from Shopkick for each one. So it makes the best of a 34-cent moneymaker, and then it makes the Cremosa one makes 2 cents. So I'm gonna definitely grab this again. I'm probably just gonna donate. One of y'all gave me an idea to donate it to the trunks or treats or whatever for Halloween. I thought that was a really good idea, so I think that's what I'm most likely gonna do, because we don't get that many kids in our neighborhood on Halloween, and I doubt I'm gonna get rid of all of it unless I give every little kid a bag, which I could do. Now you might still have a rebate on Ibotta. I do not. But that would then make it a much bigger money. So we're going to be grabbing the Silk Greek yogurt again, priced at $1.52. Getting back 85 cents on Ibotta, making this only 67 cents. Alright, next up is the Knudsen Cottage Cheese Doubles. They are priced at $1.28. Getting back 50 cents on Ibotta, bringing those down to only 78 cents. Alright, so next up is going to be the Raid Ant Bait again. It's priced at $4.43. I'm getting back $2 on Ibotta. There's also $2 on a bunch of places, let me tell you. Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, Tada, Shop Me, Alexa. Am I missing something? Making that 43 cents, or potentially a moneymaker. Alright, so this next deal right here is on the Arm & Hammer Hardball. I did mention this in my last video. This store doesn't actually carry the smaller boxes. They only have this 10.5 pound box rather. So for this, you're grabbing the smaller one. It is priced at $14.97. Now I did use a $3 Pilly that was on that box, so I only paid $11.97 out of pocket. I submitted for the rebate. I'll have a link for you in the description for getting back the $14.97. Now one of you guys mentioned that it might be after the coupon savings. I'm not really sure. When I did my rebate, I put $14.97, which was the price of the item. and then $2 back on Ibotta. There's also $4 on Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, or Tada, making that a $9 money maker. Now you could also grab 2 if you wanted to, and after coupons and rebates, it would make it $5 money maker for both boxes, which might not be a bad deal if this is something that you truly use. I don't, so yeah. But I grabbed it because it was an item moneymaker.
Alright,
so
so
yeah.
my next deal is on the Buy Kotex. They're priced at $3.30 for 40 count as well as the 50 count. Now, last time I did this deal, I did price match the online price, which was $2.97, which is the price we used to pay, right? Before inflation happened. And so, but if I can't price match it for some reason, I'll end up paying $6.60, getting back $1.50 for one on Ibotta. And then there's also $2 on Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, or Tada, or Shop Me, or Alexa, or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Got choices. Making them only 55 cents. So I'm gonna do Sally Hansen. I was so happy that they had one left. Well, they have this one here, but it's priced at $5.54. So I'm gonna grab the last one they have here on clearance, priced at $4.04. I did not realize until I was clipping my coupons last night that I actually have a coupon for this. And this offer doesn't exclude the use of a coupon on Ibotta. The one for the nail polishes do, which just sucks because I was totally gonna use the $1.50 coupon on those. It would have made for a nice deal on Ibotta, but again, that one does exclude the coupon. So I'm gonna go ahead and just grab this one here. I'll be using this coupon right here for $1 off. I'll pay $3.04 and get back 3 on Ibotta, making that only 4 cents. I was hoping they had more, but they don't. And so yeah, and I did debate on getting this one here, but it would make it $1.54. Can you paint press-on nails, y'all? Have you tried it? Can you like paint over the color? Because I thought about that. I was like, if I could paint over the color, then I could just still get them for $1.54, which is cheaper than I would pay for other nails, and just change it to the color that I like. Or change these, because I have like 5 of these at home already. So let me know in the comments if you can paint press-on nails. I feel like you can. I've never tried. And so, yeah. Alright guys, so this next deal is on the Dove Men Care. It's on the 2-in-1 price at $4.98. You want to grab 2 of them. We're using 4 off of 2 coupon right here that we're getting our inserts. I got mine yesterday. That'll bring your total down to you paying $5.96 out of pocket, and you're going to get back $8 for each on Ibotta, plus you get back $1.80 on Shopkick, making them only $1.08 each. Okay, so I'm going to try this deal here on the Dove Men Care lotions. These are priced at $2.47. I'm going to grab 2 of them. The total is going to come to $4.94. I'm going to see if I can use this 4 off 2 coupon right here from our inserts. It'll bring the total down to 94 cents, and then getting back 75 cents for each one on Ibotta, making them both free plus a 56-cent moneymaker. So I'll let you guys know how that works. See these right here, Dove Men Care. They're shampoos on clearance for $4.23. They also have some up there as well. So if I wanted to grab 2 of these, the total would come to $8.46, and then I would use a 4 off of 2 coupon. I'd pay $4.46, get back 2 on Ibotta, and then get back $1.80 on Shopkick, which would make it 66 cents for both, or 33 cents each. I'm gonna try this and see if it works out. Now I already scanned the item, well, the other one on Shopkick, so I can't verify to see if this one works. And so I'll let you guys know. Also check your checkout candy. They have a lot of it on clearance. I didn't see anything we have rebates for. I know we have, I think there's a rebate on Fetch for M&Ms, but it's not for, I think it's a threshold when we have to spend 8. And so yeah, so check your area. Again, I didn't see anything. I think we just got coupons for these, so I have to see what the coupon is for, but I think we do have a coupon for this car. Really quick, sorry it's so loud, y'all. I did find coupons though, so, and this is the only check stand where I saw the clearance at. I know that the other store was at there. Theirs was, I think, $1, which is crazy because these are normally what, $1.32. It's not that big of a reduction. So I'm gonna go ahead and just grab all of these and hope my coupon scans 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna grab all 7 of these. With the coupon, it'll make it free. We had this one too on the other, the blue pack. And so yeah. The thing that I was grabbing too is the Airheads. These are priced at $187, getting back 500 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2. It makes this a 13-cent money maker. The last deal that we're gonna do is on the Tylenol Extra Strength. It's on the 24 count. They are priced at
$4.68. We're gonna go ahead and grab one of them. We're getting back $8 on Ibotta, and then there's also $2 on all those other apps. Making it a 32-cent moneymaker. All right, guys, so here is my complete haul for you guys for today. Everything worked out really good. I did have some coupons. Well, I feel like most of my coupons didn't scan today. Like the Dove 4 off 2, it did work for these, which was cool. I'm still waiting for that receipt to process on Shopkick. I believe it should go through. It's a hair care product. It should work. It did not work on these though. I don't think that coupon worked on these last time. I had gone to customer service and she did manually enter that for me for those, which was cool. The coupon on these didn't work either. Surprisingly, I thought it would, but it didn't work in self-checkout, and it did not scan for me in customer service. She manually entered $3.50 instead of doing the 50 cent 7 times, and I pretty much grabbed all the ones that they had. And I know those are gonna be so good. So that coupon didn't scan. What else didn't scan? Oh, the Sally Hansen. So for this, I did find some more. I went ahead and just grabbed the one at $5.54 anyways, because I figured why not. All right, so I grabbed 3 of these. That dollar coupon did not scan. That was in self-checkout. And that cashier actually was cool, and she manually entered, but she manually entered in $3 instead of doing individual ones. So because she put vendor coupon, I did submit that on Swagbucks for $1 as well. And I believe it went through already. And I noticed, you guys, Swagbucks processes faster. Like Tada usually will take like 2 or 3 days, 4 days sometimes. But Swagbucks, the ones that went into review, I think all of them have gone through except 2. Another thing I noticed that's different is that when you go to submit your receipt, it says that you can't submit any more than 10 items per receipt. So keep that in mind, you guys, if you're doing a bunch of rebates, especially if we're going to be not stacking, but especially we're going to be doing the regular Swagbuck rebates on top of the ones that are like Shop Me, Alexa, and coupons.com or whatever, right? Because those smaller rebates can add up really, really quick. So yeah, I did notice that today. So I did submit for that, and I believe it went through. Did the rate go through? I know half of the ones that did go into review on Swagbucks have gone through already. Other than that, what else? I didn't notice this had a 150 scan kicks on each of them. So I got 300 scan kicks on those two, you guys, which is awesome. And it must have jumped up when I was in store, because when I was on my way there, it was the normal, I think it was like 50 or something, or 70. And so there was that. Other than that, I think that's basically it. Everything else worked out pretty good. I was able to price match the Kotex and the Velveeta, which is awesome because I literally, y'all, just had my last pack this morning or this afternoon. I'm doing intermittent fasting, and I don't eat until like 1 o'clock. And so I do still have coffee. And I have that with my coffee, and I was so stoked to do that deal. And so I did price match those for $3.88, price match those for $2.97. Other than that, guys, that's basically it. So everything you see here retails $91.43. I had $14.50 in coupons, which brought the out of pocket down to $76.93. And then we walk away with $47 from Ibotta, $13.72 from Shopkick, $11.25 from Swagbucks, and $5 from Alexa. Other than that, I'll leave it there. You guys have the most amazing day, night, whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from. If you got to this point in this video, you guys, I want to know what's your freaking gas prices right now, because gas is crazy. It's correct. Like let me just go get a bike or give me a bus pass, because gas here is $6.15, right? $6.15. Like, that's crazy. I don't even know if it ever got that high last time. But again, if you got to this point in the video, I would love to know your state and how much your gas is. All right. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.